Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent electrical damage. This is fast and essential. Once done, remove visible screws around the dash and use a trim tool to pry clips gently. Start at an edge and work evenly. You should keep screws in labeled containers so reassembly is faster. Make sure to disconnect any visible connectors as you expose the inner trim. This first step opens access to the dash core. Proceed carefully to avoid breaking plastic tabs. You now remove the instrument cluster by loosening retaining screws and pulling it forward just enough to reach the wiring harness. Press release tabs and unplug each connector. Once the cluster is out, unbolt any deeper fasteners securing the main dash bar and detach HVAC ducts if they block access. Make sure to label or photograph connector positions to preserve orientation. Use steady force on stubborn clips and keep track of captive screws. These middle steps expose the dash frame and mounting studs for replacement or repair. You reinstall the dash components by reversing removal. Align the frame, secure bolts, and plug each harness back in. Reconnect the battery last. Once connected, power up and test lights, gauges, HVAC, and infotainment to confirm everything works before snapping trim back into place. If something fails, make sure to check connector seating, grounding points, and related fuses. These are common faults. If a problem persists, swap photographs to verify correct routing. Then troubleshoot with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.